Hi, welcome to Inflectra and a video showing you how to use the Helpdesk system in KronoDesk. We're going to go on a little journey with Chris customer and Eric employee to show how a customer, Chris here, would log a ticket with the Helpdesk, then get a reply and hopefully get all the help he needs. Now we're on Chris's homepage here, and if we scroll down, you can see there's a big section saying fill out a Helpdesk ticket. There's a big link here so you can fill out a Helpdesk ticket. He could also, if it's set up on your system, send an email to, for instance, for us it's support@inflectra.com, and we have a really great email importer system that would send that email straight into the Helpdesk system inside the web interface. But for Chris, he's going to click on this link here, and it takes him to this new ticket page. Now, he's just upgraded and he has a couple of problems. So he has library system looks funny. That's what he's going to say. And you can see immediately as I was typing, this little grid came up saying these articles may have the information you need. And this is a really great feature. We automatically search all the KB articles in the system and try and, doing fuzzy matching, searching, see which articles could best meet this customer's needs. And if you hover over each one, you can see we get a summary of the KB article right here. Now, these aren't specifically dealing with Chris's issue, so he's actually going to have to write something. Okay, so Chris has got his ticket name, filled in the details, and he has a problem with, which do you have a problem with? Library system. So library catalog system for him. And his operating system, well, he's on Windows and he's using Edge. Okay, so great. We now have Edge set and he's going to submit that ticket. Now you can see he has an open ticket here. It's got some others as well. This one is the one he's just done. Library system looks funny. Let's now switch over to Eric employee. This is his main Helpdesk page. And this shows all the open tickets going on in the organization. There's more than one page you can see down here. Now, you can see on the right here, we have some operations and display options. Now, right now, Eric wants to see all the unassigned tickets. So if he clicks here, you can see this one popped up. It actually refreshed as soon as he clicked that to bring in the latest ticket. You can see this is a great feature. If you click this, it'll automatically refresh every time a new ticket comes in. I normally have this set to on by default because it's just better. Some people might not like it. Maybe they're traveling or that kind of thing and it can break their flow. But I always leave auto refresh on. Eric can see Chris's ticket and it says, I've just updated my system. Things look weird in Edge. Great. Now he wants to assign this to himself. He can click on it there. You can see it goes yellow. And now over here, he could click this, assign ticket to me. Or he can right click on it, brings up this helpful menu, assign ticket to me. Bang, done. It's now moved from unassigned, well, this is unassigned. If we switch to my assigned tickets, we can now see right at the top here, library system looks funny. Okay, let's click on that ticket and go to the ticket details page. We can see up here information about Chris. We have his little king avatar there. And we can see the description of the ticket. And now we can add a note to the ticket. Okay, Eric has written his reply and this should really do the trick. It's just a problem with the browser cache. That's what Eric thinks. So he's written his message. You can see it's got all the right ticket fields here, nothing he needs to fill in. There are things he needs to fill in. They will have here, you can see like this one, be in bold with a star next to it. And these are completely configurable in the administration section. So your administrator can decide exactly what is required, not required for any different state for the ticket. Now let's look at the status for the ticket. The status is currently assigned, but we want to send this back to the customer. So let's click on this button here. You can see it brings up this list. And this is to do with the workflows the ticket passes through. Now we're going to propose the solution. You can see it says propose solution -- waiting on customer. So we're going to propose the solution and that'll then change it to waiting on customer, which means we're then sending it right back to Chris for Chris to try and implement the solution. Now we have save buttons on each of these concertina tabs. Clicking on any one of them will save the ticket. Now let's go back to the ticket list And you can see that ticket is no longer in Eric's My Assigned Ticket list because it's no longer assigned to him. Its status is now waiting on customer. Let's flip back to Chris Customer. And now we have waiting on customer. He can also see the same information from the home page. Back to his home page, he scrolls down and he can see right at the bottom here, library system looks funny, waiting on customer. So let's click on that now. We can see this ticket. Here we have all the same information. This is the original description here. And here now we have a list of comments on the ticket. Now, here's a little funny thing. This is a little picture of Eric and it has a little, professor's hat on. And that's just to indicate to the user or to employees who are the agents using KronoDesk. So if you're an agent, you get given a little hat so you can track the topic of conversation really clearly between who's the customer and who's not the customer. I like that feature. Okay, now Chris is going to try this out and guess what? It works. Chris is now happy with the solution he's got from Eric, which is great, and he's written a really lovely message back to Eric. To close out this ticket, he clicks on the change status here, and he can either send it back to support because he wants more help. In this case, he's happy, so he's going to just close the ticket. Click close, click save, and it's done. You can see the status has changed to closed. Now, if we switch back to Eric employee, you'll see that it doesn't pop up here because, it's a closed ticket. And if on the left-hand side in the sidebar, we click on all closed tickets, you can see right at the top now we have Chris's ticket, his conversation with Eric, and that has been closed, which is awesome. Now, the final thing we're going to look at is Martha Manager. She's a manager of the help desk, and she is responsible for going in and just making sure everything is going okay. Now, what Martha wants to do is give Eric a couple more tickets because he's been doing such amazing work. So she's going to click on this ticket from Kathy Customer, hasn't yet been assigned to anybody. And if she holds the control button down, she can then select other rows. So she's going to select this second row here from Carla Customer, which is currently with Evan Employee because Evan's out sick today. And she's going to give him this ticket from Evan as well. Now she can assign ticket to user by clicking on here, or by right-clicking on any of these, she can assign ticket to user, automatically has a list here, Eric Employee, assign. And we can now see Eric Employee has a lot of tickets that he needs to reply to. So good luck, Eric. I'm sure you're going to have a great day. So that's been a run through of how to use the Helpdesk system from a customer sending in a ticket, a support agent helping out that customer, and then the manager overseeing what's going on and making sure all the tickets are distributed across the team. And that today, that means Eric getting the brunt of the work. Sorry, Eric. I hope you found this video helpful and you're enjoying getting started using KronoDesk. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video and would like more tutorials about KronoDesk, please give it a thumbs up so we know you find it helpful. And if you'd like to stay up to date with our latest videos on KronoDesk and other Inflectra products, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.